Hey guys, welcome back to another video where we're going to analyze the price of Bitcoin. If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also make quick technical analysis videos like this. Most of my analysis tend to be accurate. So if you like to be getting first tips on that, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to stay updated whenever I post the next video. So Bitcoin is currently looking bullish. Wow. We have, for the past 2 days, have been moving up. Look at that. So right now, Bitcoin is currently trading at 20,300. This is great, but I feel like this might be a bull trap. So I would tell you exactly why I feel this might be a bull trap, because something just doesn't look right here. Let's go back down to the 4-hour time frame, okay? So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you will see something, okay? So here you can see obviously 19,000 here for the past few days has been a resistance for Bitcoin, right? Approximately, I would say 19,500 to be exact. So between 19,500 and 20,000, this was like a resistance area for Bitcoin. And then all of a sudden today, Bitcoin has finally decided to break above it, and it is currently trading above it. However, you'll notice here, the moment Bitcoin broke above this resistance here, okay, the selling volume was very, very high. It was more high than the buying volume. So this is one sign that this breakout might be a false breakout, okay? So the volume here, when we broke out of this resistance zone, the volume actually started decreasing. You know, after this candle here, we got this bearish candle with high selling volume. And after that, the next bullish candle was actually with very low volume. But then after this one, we got the next candle, which was with a bit of a high volume compared to the previous one. So the volume here is looking a bit tricky. So these are all just a few signs that this breakout might be a false breakout. And I believe this is so that they can trap all the bulls, you know, because a lot of people who will see this would think, oh my God, Bitcoin is finally going to start going up. But those who start buying and longing Bitcoin will start regretting it, because the market is going to just start going against them, you know? So volume always reveals what is happening in the market. If you want to know whether a move is real or not, just look at the volume. And right now, the volume is not validating the price movement. So another thing that you want to look at is actually the RSI. Currently, if I go to the 1-hour time frame, you'll notice here, we are currently overbought on the RSI here, okay? Not only that, but we also have a bearish divergence on the 1-hour time frame. This is another signal that the price is going to end up just falling back down. Okay, and then on the 4-hour time frame, we also have the price here is also approaching the overbought area here on the 4-hour time frame. So this is happening so quick, and the price has not even gone that high. It hasn't even gone to the major resistance, which is like around 21,000. 21,000 is where the next major resistance is for Bitcoin, and we're not even close to that. And already on the RSI, Bitcoin is getting close to the overbought area on the 4-hour time frame. This is not a good sign, okay? However, if you go to the daily time frame, you'll notice here, yes, the daily time frame, the volume is starting to increase, okay? This is a good sign, but on the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame, it is telling us the opposite. So there's a chance the next daily candle here that just started is going to end up being bearish. Okay, if it doesn't end up being bearish, I'll be surprised. But if it ends up being bullish, then I believe that Bitcoin is going to go all the way to the next resistance, which is like around 21,000. Okay, so like 21,000 is where the next major resistance Bitcoin has to go there. And then I think that's probably the highest Bitcoin is going to go to before it starts falling back down. And this is because we have a very huge bearish pattern on the monthly time frame. Okay, on the monthly time frame, Bitcoin has formed a double top. Okay, and the target for this double top is approximately to 9,000. So, and right now, Bitcoin finally broke that neckline of the double top. So it is only going to go down from here, but I believe before it does that, obviously it needs to retrace back up. Okay, because we are sort of like extremely oversold on the daily time frame here. If you can see, we are oversold. So this is something, okay, this is a reason for Bitcoin to actually move high in order to gain that liquidity to be able to push the price back down lower. But nevertheless, Bitcoin is looking very bearish on the monthly time frame. It is looking bearish on the daily time frame. Well, it's starting to look sort of bullish on the daily time frame, but not that strong. And it's looking bearish on the weekly time frame, you know. So right now, what Bitcoin needs to do in order for it to actually begin an uptrend, Bitcoin here needs to actually break the resistance at 23,000. To be more precise, I would say between 22,000 and 23,000. This is where the resistance is here for Bitcoin on the daily time frame. So Bitcoin needs to break this area here in order for it to go and retest the previous resistance, which is like around 28,800. This was where it had a lot of support. So in order for Bitcoin to go up there, we need to break this 23,000 resistance. And if that happens, then yes, Bitcoin is definitely going to go all the way to like 28,800. And from there, I expect it to start falling back down, because I don't think Bitcoin has hit a bottom yet because of that that bearish pattern on the monthly time frame. It is showing us signs that Bitcoin is going to go even lower than where it is. So yeah, right now any move up that we're seeing, I believe it's going to just be temporary. So yeah, guys, this is what is happening in the market. You can see here, we are already getting rejected here. You know, all these candles here are not looking very strong. So Bitcoin actually needs to get a close above 20,400. Right now, we haven't closed. You can see this previous 4-hourly candle, we actually closed below 20,400. So yeah, 20,400 is where the temporary resistance is. So we need to see Bitcoin actually close above 20,400, at least on the 1-hour time frame, I would say, in order for it to continue going up. We haven't had that yet. Yeah, I'm just checking right now. So yeah, on the 1-hour time frame here, Bitcoin closed, the highest it has closed is 20,381. So this is not good. It's already getting rejected here, you know, because 20,400 is resistance. So there's a chance this is probably the highest Bitcoin is gonna go. It's probably gonna start falling back down to 19,000 and then maybe find support there again and start heading higher, okay? This is going to create higher lows. We are already starting to form higher lows right now, but don't get too excited because we are still in a bearish market right now, okay? Any move that we get up is only going to be temporary. Anyways, guys, this is it for the analysis. I hope you find some value out of this video. If you did, please hit that like button. I truly appreciate it. And also subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.